In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to encrypt Protonmail. If you want to protect the contents of a message, especially when you're emailing someone who doesn't use Protonmail, the external encryption feature makes it straightforward. We'll go from opening a new email to setting a strong password and hint so your message is locked down end to end. Start by heading to protonmail.com in your browser. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure. Once you're signed in, you'll be on your mailbox dashboard. From here, open the Composer by selecting New Message. This brings up the window where you'll prepare everything you need. In the To field, enter your recipient's email address and add a clear, concise subject line. As a privacy tip, keep your subject generic and free of sensitive details. For contacts who already use Protonmail, encryption between Proton accounts is automatic. The external encryption we're enabling next is designed for recipients on other email services. Now, write your message in the body. Be as specific as you need, but remember that the security of your content will rely on the strength of the password you set in a moment, so plan accordingly. If you're including any attachments, ensure they're final and ready to go before you enable encryption. Look toward the bottom of the Compose window for the external encryption option. You'll see an icon, typically a lock, labeled external encryption or similar. Click it to open the encryption settings for this message. If your toolbar is condensed, you may need to expand it to find the icon. You'll be prompted to enter a password and a password hint. Choose a strong, memorable passphrase rather than something short or obvious. A good passphrase mixes several unrelated words, numbers, or symbols to increase strength. For the hint, give yourself or your recipient a nudge that helps recall the password without revealing it. Avoid using the actual password, names, birthdays, or anything that could be guessed easily. Plan to share the password with your recipient through a separate, secure channel, never inside the same email. Once you've set the password and hint, confirm by selecting Set Encryption. You should see a clear indicator that encryption is active for this message. With encryption enabled, Protonmail will protect the contents and provide your recipient with a secure way to view it. They'll receive a message with a link to a protected page where they can enter the password to read your email and access any attachments. That's it. You've prepared and encrypted your Protonmail message using external encryption, keeping your communication private and under your control.